Today I'll be showing you how to make a presentation. So right here is your title, and my title is going to be how to make a presentation. So, if it's too narrow, you can move it somewhere. And here you want to put the name of yourself so we know who the presentation is by. After you've done that, you can go here to designs. And it can give you any design you want. You can have white, thick writing on A. You can use this or this or this. There are plenty more that I'm going to show you. I like this one, but I don't think I'm going to do it. And there's also this and this. More. You can click this and you can have so much. See, look. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Mine. You're gonna go here to home and click on new slide. And here you have your new title. So after this, what you want to do is watch a presentation as you see like that. And here I'm going to do how to start the presentation. After you've got your things, here you can delete this little dot and you can start to write the first step. If you want, you can do the number 1, but it can go already and to the number 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. And here you can change the size, and you can even change it to your own size. There are plenty lot you can change it to, and I think I'm going to change mine to 19. And now you can see you can easily change the size, and I'm going to first add your title where it says click to add title. Add title where it says click to add title. So after you've done that, you're going to do the second thing, and when you get here, you can just press enter and it can go down. And next I'm going to put it to, can you pause it for a second? Who it's from, so put your name so they know who from. And then you're going to press enter again. And next you're going to put choose a back. And then after you've put choose a background, you're going to press enter again. You're going to just put how to start your presentation. So then you're just going to put how to start it. How to start it. Need to type a few things about it. T-I-P-E-T-Y. Yeah? So after you've done that, if you can see here, there are transitions home like I am on, and then you are going to go right here, and here you have numbers, and when you click on it, before that you have got to select, and then you can go to numbers. You can click it and then you have it. And then here you can see any transition. Good. So then you're going to go to transitions, and here you can see you have plenty, and here you have known. Known is the normal, so it won't give you any transitions. But as you can see here, we've got cut, fade, push, wipe, split, reveal, random bar, shape, uncover, cover, flash, dissolve, checkerboard, blinds, pluck, ripple, honeycomb. And I'm going to see what honeycomb is. I think I'm going to try that, but I'm going to see some other ones. That was nice, but nah. That was nice as well. Nice. That does look nice, but no. That was kind of nice, but no. Okay, that was impressive, but no. Nuh-uh. That's just weird. No way, that's so... What about split? No. Push. Noise fade. So I think it's either ripple, chod, blinds, dissolve. But I think I'm going with honeycomb. I think I'm going to do that one more time, because I like how it just drives you into something. So I'm going to do honeycomb. But before you do that, that's just transitions, so they know it. So after that, you can go here, and you can see a little glass thing here. And here it says your title. And when you press this arrow, it goes, see? Drives you into something. And press it. So after that, you're going to go to... So after that, to make sure you don't lose it, you're going to go to this little printer thing. You're going to click on it. And here it shows you. And here you're just going to press save. So now that it's saved, we can carry on. So when you go to home, I taught you this. You're just going to do this. And so there's one more thing on this. So here I I've already deleted the dot, and here you can put save your presentation. You can put, and here you can say go to the printer image. So then you're gonna do go to the save image. Go to the save image. Carry on. Yeah. So after that, you just want to click on save. Go to save image and click on it. So after you do that, you can put a full stop. And then you can put carry on your presentation. And I meant this button. So you just need to click on start. Oh, that's not it. After you saved it, you can, I'm not going to put a slide in for this one. I'm going to put animation and transitions. So here it's animations. Here I need to do this one first. So you've got like these here and stuff. There are plenty like this one. You can also do font color, brush color, and I think cheetah is kind of bad. You can do spin, and I think I'm going to have spin. So next you just want to highlight this one so they know. And I think I'm going to do wheel for this one. I'm just going to click on that again because I think I'm going to do wheel. And now you can go to transitions. And I think I'm going to go for ripple or clock. Lines maybe? Yeah, I think I'm going to go for plenty that I think I'm going to go for checkerboard. So after you've chose that, you can just go to insert, and insert is where it has after you're done with your presentation, I'm just going to put a slide and animation for this. So I'm going to go to transitions. I think I'm going to go with So I think I'm going to go with push. And then I know which one I'm going to go with animation. So, but first I'm just going to highlight this. I think I'm going to do sleeve view. And I can't forget my name. And I'm gonna just go for Sweeview as well. So after that, you can click on this little glass bar. Just gonna click on it, and here you can see the screen appear. And then after this, your animations. And then this is my favorite one. And here it tells you. And then on the turn it has this. You can wiggle that. And I've done a wheel for this one. And that's the end. And that's how you make a presentation. Bye.